Well, ahoy, cruise nerds. Welcome back. And we are headed to dinner in 1923. Which is deck 3 midship-ish. And cannot wait. Cannot wait, cruise nerds. We're gonna go down. Cruise nerds, I'm still getting the hang of this gimbal. But we're going down because we're going to go get pictures and whatnot. So, cannot wait. Especially for Anna, because Anna loves animation.
And we're fancy tonight.
Yeah, we're fancy Nancy.
And Mama's here. Fantasia dressing.
Yes, Fantasia. So, anyways, we're triplets tonight.
Everyone's lined up for photos, correct? Perfect. Hold on, babe. We're on the other side. You're on the other side.
I'll be able to find you.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you, handsome?
Honey butter dip.
Well, ahoy, cruise nerds. Well, welcome back to 1923. And it was busy once we got here, so, and we ordered our appetizers, and we just received them. So what did you get, Mom?
It's prosciutto and mozzarella.
Prosciutto, which is right there. And then we also have mozzarella right there. Looks very good. And then Anna got 2 appetizers. Tortellini, which is right here. So that looks delicious. It smells good. And then Anna's favorite, cruise nerds, ahi tuna, which is right here. I'm not gonna do it because she has salsa. But there we go. Anyways, and of course I got the soup, tomato heirloom soup, and looks like everything came out fresh and smells good, and it came out hot. So anyways, prisoners, I'm going to stop the chit-chatting right now. I'm going to go enjoy this and talk to Mom and Nana for a little bit, and I'll see y'all real soon. Alright, cruise nerds. So I'm trying corn chowder, which looks really, really good.
I like it.
And it looks really thick actually, and Mom likes it. She tried it on the maiden voyage, if y'all remember, in that particular video. So I'm gonna go try it, and I will let y'all know how it is very shortly. See y'all soon.
Stay balanced. Yeah. I don't want to breathe. Uh-oh. More?
No way.
No.
I've never seen two.
I haven't. What? That is awesome.
Yeah, that's impressive.
Oh, India.
But they had 3 sets, didn't it?
Yeah.
Still very impressive.
We're a fully cruise nerd, so we just got our dinner. I'm getting Parmesan.
They're
Perfect.
taking really good care of us.
And Ashley's been, he was our server this time. He's been taking good care of us. But I got the pasta again. Here we go. And then Mom and Anna both got the same thing. The tenderloin, filet mignon. Oh, there's filet mignon. So, looks very good and it smells really good, cruise nerd. So, cannot wait to try it. But anyways, so I'm gonna wrap up here for now, and we're gonna go enjoy our dinner. And so I'll see y'all real soon. Ahoy, cruise nerds. So we came back to the stateroom and we got this towel animal tonight. Come to find out, this is supposed to be Davy Jones. Yo ho, because it is Pirates Night to a certain extent. Anyways, we're gonna go up on deck. See y'all real soon. On board. Alright, cruise nerds. We just changed. We bippity boppy boutique.
Well, problem.
And we are going up the stairs. Oh my god. Don't do this right after dinner, folks. Oh, Mom. See y'all in a minute, cruise.
Where's the stairway here?
Yeah, it's brown.
You can always see the sun. Day or night.
cruise nerds. So, the fireworks, I mean, we love the fireworks part. The stage show, not so much. So, anyways, cruise nerds, we are getting on the elevator now. We're gonna go to the movie. See y'all soon. Maybe. Anyways, cruise nerds, so the fireworks portion was great, but the show part is, for us, is mediocre. It was like mainly 80s music and like an 80s rock band, but I mean, what can we do, right? I mean, but it was really, really good. So anyways, cruise nerds, we are coming to see a movie here in Neverland Cinema, so we're excited about that. So cannot wait to see Thor: Love and Thunder, because I have not seen that movie yet. And it's actually at 11:45. And there's two theaters, Wonderland Cinema and Neverland Cinema, and they're both forward. So here's Wonderland, Neverland. The cinema right here. As you can see, it's really cute. Here we go. So I'll go to that one shortly. And right across the way is Wonderland Cinema. So that's where the other one is. And that's where we thought the movie was going to be. But it's actually over here. So, can't wait to see it. And it's actually right here. Both cinemas are here at Luna. And it looks like they're doing karaoke right now. So.
Sorry, I was so close to his wife.